If you have in-house data that you'd like to work with in Macrobond, or to integrate with series in the application, there are two options for doing so: Account in-house and Excel in-house. In this video, we'll be looking at how to use Excel to create an in-house dataset and how to access that data from within the application. The Excel in-house solution allows you to access data stored in Excel while working in Macrobond. If you prefer to store in-house data on your company computers or servers, but still want to use the data in Macrobond, the Excel in-house solution is a good fit. While the Account in-house solution stores data in the application, Excel in-house creates a link between the application and an Excel file. This data and any Macrobond documents made with it can still be accessed by and shared between you and your colleagues, as long as anyone who wants to use it has access to the Excel file the data is stored in. To start uploading a series, you need to open the My Series tab, which you'll find in a list of additional activities here. Select Excel in-house from the drop-down menu and then click on the New Series button. Next, you'll need to add reference information about the series, as well as create a link to the Excel file where the data is stored. You'll notice that there are two tabs in the dialog box that appears. One is for required information, the other is for optional information, which is helpful for classifying your in-house data. Now let's have a quick look at how to go about naming your series. The series name is a unique code that can be used to find any series in the application. The series description is the title of the time series and should describe what type of data the series contains. Once you've filled in the necessary information, you can create the link to your dataset in Excel. Open the Excel file with your data in it, and make sure to save it if you haven't done so yet. Copy the columns you want to add data from, and then go back to the application and click Paste Excel Link, here. Because we included the Dates column in our selection, Macrobond will automatically add frequency and start date information from the file. Otherwise, you'll need to do so manually. Finally, you can click on OK to complete the task. Let's say you intend to add more values to the series at a later point in time. You might have noticed that we selected whole columns rather than just those cells that were populated with data. If you select the entire column when creating the link, Macrobond automatically includes these new values the next time you access this series in the application. So, for example, if we add 2 new dates to our file, the application will reflect these changes. If the time series is already open in the application when you update the dataset in Excel, simply click on the F5 button to refresh the series with its latest values. You can access these time series in Browse or Analytics under the Excel in-house database. These time series can be used just like any other series in the application, as well as combined with Macrobond time series in a document. Have a look at the links below if you'd like to learn more about creating and managing your in-house series.